Amazon has now added Bollywood superstar Amitabh Bachchan's voice to its virtual assistant Alexa. Any Alexa user can now hear the famous actor's voice by purchasing his voice pack for just 149 rupees a year. If you own an Alexa compatible device, you can get all your news, alarms, reminders, jokes and other stuff in the actor's voice. The partnership between the two was announced last September but was delayed due to the COVID-19 epidemic. So for anyone who's interested, just say, Alexa, introduce me to Amit ji on your Amazon device and you will start your setup.
State Bank of India has recently opened up a new ATM on a houseboat in Srinagar's Dal Lake. This ATM was inaugurated on the 16th of August by the chairman of SBI. The official handle of the bank tweeted that the floating ATM in the popular Dal Lake fulfills a long-standing need and will be an added attraction to the charm of Srinagar. Withdrawing money from an ATM in the middle of a lake? Now that will definitely be a unique experience.
After nearly 40 years, researchers at the Central University of Punjab have discovered a new species of algae in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands. This new species is extremely small, measuring between 20 to 40 millimeters. It is a bright green algae with grooves right around the cap that resemble an umbrella or mushroom. The botanists who discovered it have named it Acetabularia jalakalnaka, which derives from a Sanskrit word meaning goddess of oceans or mermaids. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands are host to many coral reefs, which are extremely rich in biodiversity. So you see, iGraspers, people are still discovering new species of algae even now.
The Vande Bharat trains are officially here iGraspers with these new models currently running two routes, Varanasi to Delhi and Katra to Delhi. These new trains are similar to Shatabdi in terms of speed and have a lot of amenities such as onboard infotainment, GPS-based passenger information system, CCTV cameras, automatic sliding doors with retractable coach footsteps, and zero discharge vacuum-based bio-toilets. So if you get the opportunity to go on these new trains, iGraspers, you should definitely do it.
The word of the week is eruption, which means sudden and often violent outburst of something. The volcanic eruption was very dangerous. People had to be moved out of town to save them. The riddle of the week is, I use my ear to speak and my mouth to hear. What am I? I am a phone.
Can you guess who? This American singer, songwriter and dancer was amongst the most successful musicians of all times. His award list includes 39 Guinness World Records, 13 Grammys and many more. As the best-selling pop star of all time, he was lovingly called the King of Pop. Did you get it, iGraspers? Give it away for Michael Jackson. Did you know that besides being a phenomenal singer, he was also a dancer who created the famous moonwalk?
Did you know that the father of history was an ancient Greek historian named Herodotus? He was the first to compile historic events and document factual information in a systematic order. He included stories passed by word of mouth and fables to make his accounts more pleasing and intriguing to read.
Quiz time! Which series of wars fought between 499 to 479 BCE was mainly documented by Herodotus in his book The Histories? Send your answers to contact us at igrasp.com. Answer to the last week's quiz. The first Olympic gold medal was awarded in the year 1904. This certificate of appreciation is presented to Neil Vikram Agarwal of Tagore International School, Vasant Vihar, for successfully participating in the weekly quiz on India's leading news capsule for tweens, iGrasp.
iGraspers, this week let's journey to the center of the earth with Professor Lindenbrock and his nephew Axel. But would the journey be by land, air or sea? How about a volcano? There are prehistoric reptiles like pterodactyls and Ichthyosaurus waiting to be seen. There are colossal prehistoric ape-like men. There is literally a complete world waiting to be discovered down there. Join this adventure by reading this classic and share your feedback on igrasp.com/iClub.